Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to pay someone using Wise. Whether you are sending funds to family and friends or making international payments for your business, Wise gives you a simple and cost-effective way to transfer money. Let's go step by step so you can follow along and complete your transfer without any confusion. Start by opening the Wise app on your device. If you are new to Wise, you will need to sign up first. This involves entering your email address, creating a password, and providing some basic details. Wise takes security seriously, so your information will be safe. Once your account is ready, log in and look for the Send button. It is easy to find inside the app, and tapping it starts the transfer process. The next step is to select your recipient. At the top of the screen, you will see a search bar. If you have sent money to this person before, just type in their name and their details will appear right away. This makes repeat transfers much faster. If it is a new recipient, click on Add Recipient. You will then need to enter their details, so it helps to have their information ready beforehand. After adding your recipient, choose the currency they will receive. Wise supports many different currencies, so you can send money across the globe without worrying about conversion problems. This ensures your recipient gets the exact amount you intended to send. Next, decide how your recipient will get their money. You can send funds directly to their Wise account if they have one, to their e-wallet, or straight to their bank account. Confirm with your recipient which option they prefer before choosing. Once these steps are complete, your money will be on its way. Wise is known for showing you the fees up front and giving competitive exchange rates, so both you and your recipient get the best possible value from the transfer. That is the full process of sending money using the Wise app. Wise makes sending money simple, fast and cheap. That's why I use it myself. You can pay anyone worldwide with some of the lowest fees in the industry, and the account comes with free debit cards you can use online and abroad. Plus, if you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is totally free. Open your free Wise account today.